You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this football manager. German originally. If you want to learn more confusing names from football, stay tuned. He's manager for Barcelona, the Barca. He played in the Bayern Munich. Hansi, the German pronunciation, Hansi Flick. Hansi Flick. Therefore, in English, you can simply say Hansi Flick. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.